how to transfer your DLS account to another phone. So if you want to transfer your DLS account to another phone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your DLS application. Once you're on your DLS application, you need to go with settings, which is on the top left. From the settings on the bottom, you will have all of these options. You need to go with advanced, which is on the last option. And from the advanced, you need to go with manage devices, which will be on your profile. So tap on manage devices. So you have to generate a code. In my case, the code is already there. Or you can tap on generate code and then tap on OK. It says you need to play at least 5 matches in order to link your profile to another device. So I've not played any games, but if you've played 5 matches, then you'll be able to link your profile to another device. So you need to generate the code, and after that you need to copy the code to your clipboard. After copying it to the clipboard, you can go with the next option, which is link profile right here, and you need to enter the code right here on the other phone. So after entering that code, your phone or your account will be linked to that device. That's how you can transfer your DLS account to another phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.